Good evening, everyone. Now I want to learn how to create AI video. We are going to start by using ChatGPT. So, how to cook noodles? I want to do a cooking vlog. So, how to cook noodles? You might decide not to use noodles. You might decide to use another food. But video, to make the video short, that's why I am using noodles. Now, go to ChatGPT, click on how to cook noodles. How to cook noodles. This is what ChatGPT gave me. So, but I want the vlog to be in script. So, how to cook noodles, script on how to cook noodles. So, this is what it gave me. But the app I want to use, the app does not talk. It only perform action. So that's why I prompted ChatGPT that only action, no talking. So it gave me fill the pot with water, place pot on stove. So these are the scripts. Now I now asked ChatGPT to give me the image prompt for each process with a consistent chef wearing an abaya with a rich clothes. Your chef might be another person. It might be a man, it might be a woman. So this is the prompts for the chef and the action. So fill the pot with water, the chef, the kitchen, the pot, everything. So this is what. So if you just put it that your chef should be a woman or man, it will just give you any, it can give you white. So and I added it add a Nigerian to the prompt, like in Nigerian. You can decide to put an African. You can decide to put the white people. So, but I'm using a Nigerian. So after this, you now copy all these prompts one by one. Copy it. You copy it one by one. So I've copied mine here. I've copied everything. Then you go to your Gemini. Your Gemini. Those 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 prompts that you copied from ChatGPT, you start from the first one that you copied, then you upload. You go to your copied, so beautiful Nigerian. So you start from there, you upload to give you the image. Make sure you tell ChatGPT to make the chef consistent, like consistent character. So that's why the Gemini is giving me the same person, the same image. Then after you've generated all your image, you click on these three dots here and click on save image. So it will save to your gallery. Sorry. So it is saved to your gallery. Then let's go to Meta AI. Not the Meta AI on WhatsApp, Meta AI app. If you don't have the app, you can go use the website. So now all those picture that we generated from Gemini, we want to animate it. Then let's go. We'll go to our. You click on this plus sign here. This plus sign here. You click on it. Then so this is the first image we generated. Sorry. This is the first image we generated. see all. Let me see, so I will not do mistake. Let me see all. So this is the first. You click on done. Then the prompt that you copied for the first one, you write it. You can remove, you can just leave, you can remove all these consistent character. You can just remove all this one consistent characteristic. Filling a silver cooking pot with water at the sorry let me do so you can just like leave it like beautiful Nigerian Muslim chef wearing a full luxurious abaya made with filling a silver cooking pot with water. You will not leave it to you. You put it like this. Abi create no create create a beautiful ah create a video create a video of a then you click on this go, then we wait for our image or our video to load. So let's wait. So our video has been generated. Can you see it's not talking? So it's only like moving. So you do that for others. You do like for other image. That's how you do it for me. So let me just do 2 to 3 and you do the rest. Not to me, I don't want the video to be too long. So let me click on the second image. Let's see. The second one done. Then you place a pot on the stove. Same Nigerians. Just remove this consistent character. That's why it's create a video of then you click on go. So wait for that one to also load. I don't know why it is slow. Why is moving slow, Nisha? Well, let us leave it like that. Maybe when I want to prompt the third one, I'll prompt it to be fast. Then let me do the third one. Then the third one. Turn on it. Let me remove this background. Make it fast. Create a video of then send. So let's wait. So this one too has been generated. So I'm going to complete the remaining one. I'm going to pause the video for a while. So before we move to the next one, so you complete your own, you complete all the images